The vote comes amid one of the worst humanitarian crises in Gaza. Over 64,000 Palestinians have reportedly been killed, and the region faces devastation due to the ongoing conflict. The UN General Assembly has passed the historic New York Declaration advocating the two-state solution to the long-standing Israel-Palestinian conflict, with 142 countries including India casting votes in favor, 10 opposing, and 12 abstaining. This resolution, co-sponsored by France and Saudi Arabia and ratified at a recent international conference at UN headquarters, sets forth a roadmap promising concrete, time-bound, and irreversible steps towards the establishment of a sovereign Palestinian state living in peace alongside Israel. French President Emmanuel Macron hailed the declaration as an irreversible path toward peace, pledging further action at a high-level conference on the two-state solution in New York on September 22, co-chaired with Saudi Arabia. Macron highlighted priorities such as a permanent ceasefire, comprehensive humanitarian aid, and the exclusion of Hamas from Gaza governors. India's support reaffirms its long-held policy advocating a negotiated, peaceful coexistence between Israel and a sovereign Palestine within recognized borders. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Israel's UN envoy Danny Danon rejected the resolution, labeling it theater and arguing that it benefits Hamas and undermines genuine negotiations. The United States also opposed the measure, terming it misguided and warning it could undercut ongoing diplomacy. The vote comes amid one of the worst humanitarian crises in Gaza. Over 64,000 Palestinians have reportedly been killed, and the region faces devastation due to the ongoing conflict. The new declaration provides rare condemnation of violence by both Hamas, referring to the October 7 attacks, and Israel for civilian casualties and infrastructure destruction in Gaza. The Palestinian Authority is expected to be bolstered in assuming control of all Palestinian territories under a structured transition. France and Saudi Arabia will co-chair the upcoming conference on the two-state solution on September 22, aimed at galvanizing worldwide support and operationalizing the roadmap outlined in the New York Declaration. With over 145 UN member states already recognizing Palestine, the declaration could see a further expansion of diplomatic recognition in the coming months. The UN's overwhelming vote signals growing international resolve to realize the two-state solution, despite fierce resistance from Israel and its allies, and brings new momentum to peacemaking efforts in a region plagued by conflict and humanitarian.